Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for ways to make $10,000 a month without having to actively work for it? Look no further than this video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities to make money without having to actively trade your time for it. And in this video, we'll explore one of the most exciting ways to generate passive income using ChatGPT and Midjourney. Make sure to watch until the end for better understanding. First, let's understand what ChatGPT and Midjourney AI are. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like language. Midjourney AI, on the other hand, is an AI-powered tool that helps create content that resonates with your audience. Together, ChatGPT and Midjourney offer a unique opportunity for anyone to earn passive income by creating engaging content that people actually want to interact with. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, or social media influencer, this powerful combination can help you turn your passion into a profitable venture. So, if you're ready to learn how to make passive income with ChatGPT and Midjourney, then sit back, relax, and get ready for an exciting journey into the world of digital content creation. Let's get started and explore a particularly noteworthy opportunity that has captured my attention among many other ideas. Creating an ebook. Creating an ebook is one of the best ways to make money online because digital products have a high profit margin and are one-time investments. You can sell digital products like ebooks and e-courses over and over again. Let me show you what I mean. If you go to Amazon and search for books in any genre, be it fictional, non-fictional, or picture books for kids, you will come across a huge number of books. Look at the number of reviews on these books. For sure, they have made more than $10,000. Look at this book. It has more than 60,000 ratings. The best part is that you can publish your book for free on Amazon's KDP program. Amazon KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, which is Amazon's self-publishing platform for authors to publish their books and reach a global audience. With Amazon KDP, authors can easily create and upload their ebooks, paperback books, and audiobooks to Amazon's marketplace. In this video, we will leverage ChatGPT's ability to create content, Midjourney's power to create realistic pictures, use Canva to compile everything, and create an ebook. Then finally publish it on Amazon KDP, and earn passive income that grows even after several years. Don't worry, writing an ebook using ChatGPT is very easy, it just takes a few minutes. First of all, think of an idea for your ebook. You might want to do some research before writing one because, after all, you are writing it for people to buy. Using ChatGPT, you can check out the most popular fiction or non-fiction categories. I am more interested in the non-fictional category, so I am gonna go ahead with that. You can choose whatever you want. Now, ChatGPT will tell us what is popular, what's in demand, and what people prefer to buy. So, go to ChatGPT and type the most popular categories for a non-fiction book. As you can see, we can write a biography or a book on history, self-help, or a book on business and finance. These are the most popular categories. You can even search for more categories by simply typing more categories. So, now we have more categories like art and design, food and cooking, gardening and nature, crafts and hobbies, parenting and family, psychology and mental health, spirituality and religion, true crime, sports, and many more. All you have to do is type creatively to get creative answers. If you want to make your research more specific, then you can type subtopics. Let's say you are interested in health and wellness, then type subtopics for health and wellness. ChatGPT will give you a long list of subtopics. Now you can write specifically on any of the given subtopics like nutrition, exercise and fitness, holistic health, chronic illness, mental health, men's health, aging and longevity, sleep and relaxation, and women's health. Now, choose any subtopic of your interest. Let's say you are interested in mental health, then tell GPT to write an outline for a book on mental health. ChatGPT will provide you with the table of contents. As you can see, here are a bunch of chapters given. We can start our book with an introduction that can include a definition of mental health and its importance. Now, select the outline and copy it. Open Google Docs and paste your outline. Now, we have to make the ChatGPT write an ebook for us. So, copy the first chapter, the definition of mental health, and come back to ChatGPT and type, write a chapter for, and paste the copied text. Now, copy the text and paste it into Google Docs. If you feel that your chapter is short or the information is not enough, then type write more. This is how you can use ChatGPT to write your first chapter. Follow the same steps for writing other chapters. In just a few minutes, you will be ready with your ebook. Now go to File, go to Download, and then click on PDF Documents to download your ebook as a PDF. The next step is creating illustrations. Illustrations are equally important, but commissioning artists for their work can cost thousands of dollars. But don't worry, you can use an AI art generator to create the most realistic images, and that too for free. There are many AI art generators available, but in my opinion, Midjourney provides the best experience. First, you need to join their Discord server. To generate an image, you must first start a prompt by typing a / and then imagine. Then, you can begin describing the image you want to create. To do this, go back to the story chapters you have generated before and copy the first one, which in my case was definition of mental health. After the image is generated, 2 rows of buttons will appear. The top row, which includes U1, U2, U3, and U4, is for upscaling your chosen image to generate a larger version. The bottom row, including V1, V2, V3, and V4, creates 4 new variations similar in overall style and composition to your selected image. To save the image, right-click and select Open Link, then right-click again and choose Save to download it to your device. Now that we have generated the images, let me walk you through how to create a professional-looking storybook by combining the text generated using ChatGPT with the images generated using Midjourney. Firstly, go to canva.com and search for a storybook template, then click on Create a blank storybook. Next, upload the AI-generated images to Canva, and simply drag and drop the first image into the template. Then, go to ChatGPT and copy the first part of the story, and paste it on top of the image. You can now adjust the text as per your liking by changing the color and font style, adding shadows, and more. Canva is beginner-friendly and doesn't require any design skills, and it's free to use. Once you're done, you can duplicate the template, saving you a lot of time by adding new images and text while maintaining the same style. Replicate this process for all chapters of the book and save it as a PDF. Now that our ebook is all set, it's time to publish it on a platform for the audience to buy. Nowadays, there are many good platforms out there like Gumroad. But my personal favorite is Amazon KDP. So, I am gonna publish it over here. Finally, to start making passive income, publish your book on Amazon KDP. So, this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for such amazing videos, and see you in the next one.